Oh, I forgot. Damn it. Ah, whatever. Let's keep going. He's about to die. Oh. Oh, what is he? What's up, guys? It's Plasma here. Welcome back to another video. Yeah, we watched the Toy Story. Now we're going to watch the new one that they added, Cartoon Cat. We missed it. Guys, we missed it. We sold. So, without anything else to do, let's go right in.
Listen up. We have an assignment for you.
Ooh, an
I
assignment?
need you to go down to the old Wonder Toys Limited site. And
Wonder
recover
Toys.
file 73C.
Oh, I got
You'll
hiccups.
find
Uh-oh.
it in the document archive, right at the far end of the building.
What is that? That is not cartoon. It's like a mascot. Oh, nah. Please don't.
That mascot factory has been abandoned for years.
I can tell.
Be very careful where you step. Report back when it's done. Thanks.
Pretty small map. Does that mean that? Oh my god, the hiccups are not letting me record. Right. Ooh, okay, I got hiccups, guys. That is so AI generated. What even is that supposed to be? That clown though, I was gonna. Steam, what are you doing? Lock in, bud. I'm recording. Okay, before Steam interrupted really rudely. This fox right here is very insane, and so is this clown. I like that. Oh, what Wonder Toys Ltd, where dreams are manufactured daily. Yeah. All right, more in costumes. These are not as interesting as the other ones that we saw. A spooky glove. Ooh. My god, bro, the hiccups. Oh, that glove belongs to Cartoon Cat. Uh-oh. Cartoon Cat. Okay, he's walking back. My goodness. Oh, he might be faster than what I thought. Alrighty then. Entrance. What is this?
Here at Wonder Toys Limited, we create the magical part.
Slightly, it looks like AI.
The future never sleeps. Become a permanent.
Alrighty. Cartoon Cat. I do want to mention that looks AI generated, but this maybe isn't. Maybe this is CGI, but the other one looks AI. Oh, weaved. Come on, get out of there. My goodness. Okay, so Cartoon Cat's trying to get him. Right now I'm getting attacked by the hiccups, so good luck with that, buddy. I got my own problems. Ugh. Oh, if that was me, I would like go, and he would see me. Come on, man. You got this. Ugh. Okay. Bro said I gotta get out of here. Oh my god, I hate when I have to when I have the hiccups and they don't want to come out. They get stuck in your throat. It's like, come on, man, you got this. Ew, is that Mickey Mouse? Like the mold? No, it's not. It's a bow tie. Oh, interesting. You got that, fool? Oh, he's dead. Woo! Okie dokie, he's gonna grab him with long range. Nice. Oh, he slipped. Common horror mistake, slipping. Now I'd like to say, oh, he's cooked. I would like to say he's wearing boots, so how did he slip? We back. Anyways, guys, we're back. Where's my headphones? After that inconvenient interruption, we are back. Like, what was I saying before that, though? Oh, I forgot. Damn it. Whatever. Let's keep going. He's about to die. Oh, what did he? We just came back for the ending. Are you serious? If I knew the video was about to read. Well, guys, that was Cartoon Cap. Pretty good video. The CGI was really good. Everything was really good except the AI part. But hey, see y'all next time. That's just my opinion, okay, guys? Don't come attacking me. I still like it. You know, fine. I'm already subscribed to him, but not on this account. Okay. See y'all next time.